Hey class, sorry for the delay in your announcement this week. I realize it's Wednesday already. Um, just a quick overview of our lesson this week. We're in week 5 already, if you can believe that. For the assignments, you just have your first post of our second exploration activity. And then this week, we're preparing for our exam, which is due on Saturday. So you need to complete that by Saturday night, and that is in Test Out. So if you run into any issues with that, contact me or Zach, and we'll get that sorted out for you. But good luck on the exam. And if any of you are interested in a study group or anything this week, I know Zach had mentioned his availability at the beginning of the semester. I don't know if anybody's taken him up on that offer. But if anybody's interested in putting a studied group together, please reach out to us via email or actually what we should do, if anybody's interested in a study group, start a discussion thread in our questions and conversations discussion board for this week. And then if anybody else is interested, you guys can figure out a time that works. And if you need a meeting link so we can get together and meet, we can get that set up also. So that's an option. But good luck this week. Study chapters 1 through 3. Just review everything we've covered so far from the first couple quizzes. And you shouldn't have any issues with the exam. Another recommendation, go through and take the practice quizzes from the test out material also, because that's where the questions come from. So if you do that, you'll do well. And good luck this week. Thanks, guys.